Now we come to the partnership modules, and this is where you display your partnership logos that run along the bottom of your page, just above the footer menu. So to add a new partnership logo, we click New and fill in the partner's name. Then, if you haven't already done so, Google the partner's logo and upload it to your file manager on the CMS. So when you click Browse, you can upload it here. Then remember to add the alternative text for the image. Finally, you have the option to add the URL, and then just click Save and publish it, and it will appear at the bottom of your page like so.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to check out our next video or view more videos, click the links at the top of the screen. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss any more future videos.